So right off the bat, let's talk about what Webull actually is. So Webull is a trading app that you can use to purchase stocks, ETFs, which are exchange traded funds, options contracts, as well as cryptocurrencies, all from your phone or your computer. They also have a desktop version as well. Depending on what you are more comfortable with, you can kind of switch back and forth whenever you want. But it is a platform for you to conduct transactions. They are what's known as a broker dealer. So they are facilitating your transactions on the stock market. Now, what this app is kind of most known for is the ability to do research on the platform and have access to a lot of data. So with a lot of more simple platforms like Robinhood or Public, these platforms don't really allow you to do a ton of research on the platform. You can just kind of go in, do your transactions, and be on with your day. You know, they might have some basic charts of like how has the price performed over time, things of that nature, a little bit of basic information. But in terms of actually being able to do stock research, that's where Webull kind of shines, okay? And there's a ton of research, and that's why for a lot of beginner investors, it can be overwhelming. There's a ton going on in the app, which we're gonna break down what all the things mean, so that by the time you're done with this video, it's not going to be quite as intimidating for you to actually go through this app and start using it for transacting on the stock market. But that's where Webull is kind of known for, all of that research and data that they do offer. Now, one thing that Webull is very well known for is their free stock promotion. So Webull is pretty much always running some kind of free stock promotion. At the point of recording this training for you, they are running a 2 free stock promotion, which means if you sign up for the app and deposit at least $100 into your account, you're going to get 2 free stocks when you use the link down below this training, which is absolutely free to use. So essentially, how the promotion works is that when you open an account using that link, you are going to get 1 free stock immediately as soon as the account is open, and we're going to walk you through that entire process a little bit later. But you do that, you get 1 free stock. Then you get another free stock if you fund your account with at least $100. And the value of those stocks, it's going to be determined based on a lottery system. So you don't just get to choose, oh, I want a share of Amazon, which is currently trading above $3,000. You can't just do that. But it's a lottery system based on, for the first free stock, for the one you get just for signing up, it's going to range in value anywhere from $2.50 all the way up to $250 for that first stock. Obviously, it's going to be more likely that the value is going to be lower, but it is possible that you get a stock worth upwards of $100 or even $200 in some cases. Now, the second free stock is going to range in value from $8 up to $1,600, so a lot more value there. And again, that's a lottery system with, again, more odds that you get a lower valued stock, but it is always possible that you do get a higher valued stock. So all in all, you could get potentially up to $1,850 in free stock just for signing up with the Webull platform and putting in $100, which is what attracts a lot of investors to the platform. That's one of the reasons why they've been able to amass over 10 million users on their platform fairly quickly, is through that free stock promotion.